guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the August Bellabox, so let's get into it. And may I say, this guy is puffed, it is packed. So yeah, let's rip into this one. So I've got the pink box this month, and wow, it is full. So we've got a little purple card and the products, and let's dive in. So the thing that was making the box so puffed up is this one. It looks exciting, it is big. So this one is the 40 Fathoms Skin Regenerator Cream. It's full size, 50 mils. Retails $62.95 at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse and 40fathoms.com.au. Holy shit. I just got a full size product worth $63. Yes please. It's also an Australian made brand. It's face moisturizer, I'm assuming. Like, oh my god, that looks so exciting. So transform your skin with a cream that hydrates while reactivating your skin's natural ability to restore itself. With key ingredients, Fucus Facilis extract. Its nourishing hydrator repairs and rejuvenates. With a non-greasy texture, it forms a protective barrier from the damaging effects of free radicals to give your skin a fresh, radiant appearance. So yeah, I am so excited about this. This looks awesome. Like, wow, that is a great one to start the box off with. So that's what it looks like. Very cool. And it even comes with a little spatula. Yeah, I am so excited to give this go. Like, I absolutely cannot wait. This looks awesome. Love this one so far. Like, wow. Next, we have this little one. It is a Basic Beauty makeup product. I got a jelly highlighter in the shade Trust Fund. We did get to choose our shades in this. I must say, when looking at it on the computer to choose your shade, it was kind of deceiving. It looked like a blush or a bronzer instead of a highlighter. So yeah, I just think that they needed to update, you know, their picture quality on the website, because I thought I was picking a blush rather than a highlighter. But this one is full size, and it is US $18, so $18 at shopbasicbeauty.com. Basic Beauty's Jelly Glow Highlighter range boasts a long-lasting formula that's pigmented, high quality and paraben-free. Plus it's cruelty-free. What's not to love? So let's have a look at that one. That's what it looks like. As you can see, like, I really thought it was a blush. Like, it has that pink in it, and the other one looks really bronze. That's why I thought it was a bronzer. Ooh, kind of does feel creamy. That's what it looks like on the finger. That's it swatched on the back of the hand, just there. So it does have, like, it's not as like pinky on the skin as it looks in the pan, but I definitely think it would suit me a lot better compared to the bronzier looking one. So I do think I picked correctly in terms of shades. But yeah, it's still like noticeably a bit dark, but you know, it's the lighter of the two, so I definitely chose right. Next, we have a little perfume sample. This is Guess Seductive Noir. It is just a sample size, and it is the one that has a little pump that squirts it out, which is great. I hate the ones that like are just the oil. They get messy and everywhere and spill. It's a nightmare. So I love the ones that you can spray. So this one is full size is 75 mils, $69 at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. Seductive Noir is a sexy scent that embodies the unique styles synonymous with the Guess brand. Infused with refreshing notes of bergamot, jasmine, and vanilla, the sensual fragrance is magnetic and playfully captivating. Let's give it a smell, shall we? I do like it. I will definitely use it up. It's kind of like a warm scent, if that makes sense. It just smells warm. You can definitely smell the vanilla in it. Yeah, I'll definitely give that one, you know, a spritz in the morning. I don't know if I would buy it, like the full size, but it's definitely a nice, like, warm vanilla smell. So yeah, that's one. Next, we have an Alpha H as the bonus again. I love getting Alpha H as the bonus. This is the Micro Cleanse Super Scrub. So yeah, that would be really fun to try. I'm loving getting all these Alpha H bonuses. It's really good of Bellabox to, you know, include higher end brands, you know, as a bonus. Next we have water wipes. So this is just a sample of 2 wipes, but a full size 25 pack is $9 at Coles and Amcal Pharmacy. Okay, so who would pay $9 for a 25 pack of wipes? I probably wouldn't pay more than $2 personally, but that's just me. I'll definitely give these a go. Water wipes, best-selling facial wipes, contain 3 ingredients: 99.9% purified water, fruit extract, and Dead Sea minerals. It's made with no artificial fragrances, parabens, or preservatives to be gentle for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Use it as a refresher throughout the day or at the end of the night to remove a full face of makeup. So yeah, I'll definitely give them a go. It's not like a bad sample to receive in a box. I probably would, you know, consider this more of like a bonus style sample because, you know, it's a makeup wipe. You use it once and, you know, it's done. It's not like you can gain like a proper opinion of it. Like, you know, makeup wipes and makeup wipes. It's not really, you know, revolutionary product, but it's still, you know, it's really good to receive it nonetheless. So I'll definitely give it a go, but I don't think I'd ever like purchase, you know, this brand of wipes myself because $9 is ridiculous. And we have another sheet mask from Yes2. So this one is Yes2 Tomatoes, actually. It is a detoxifying charcoal paper mask for clear skin. So that looks like fun. I haven't seen a tomato one out of all the S2s. This is just a single use, but I'm pretty sure you can buy like a bunch of them for $7.99. Pamper yourself on a night in with Yes2 gentle and nourishing masks. From a detox mask to a mud mask to a peel, the brand's range of single-use face masks are formulated with natural ingredients to get your skin radiant and glowing. We also have in here a little card just about the first product. There's just some information from the brand. And what seems to be a regular occurrence now is a HelloFresh gift card. So woohoo, if you want some money off. I don't think I can be using that. You know, I'm not, you know, someone who uses HelloFresh, but you know, someone might enjoy it. So yeah, that's everything in the box. So yeah, guys, I'm actually really happy with the box this month. We got this full-size face moisturizer that's really exciting and it looks expensive, which is fun. We got a makeup product. I did think it was going to be a blush, but turns out it's a highlighter, but I'll definitely give it a go nonetheless. It's definitely, you know, a different kind of product. It didn't feel like a jelly like I thought it would, but it felt more like a cream to powder sort of formula. Another Alpha H sample is always great for a bonus. A perfume we haven't had in a while in the boxes, and I'm keen to give it a go. I don't think I'd ever buy it myself, but it does sound, you know, it smells something really like sexy and warm and, you know, seductive sort of scent. The face mask is going to be fun to try as well, and the water wipes, I mean, they're not exciting, but they'll definitely get some use. So to summarize, you know, this has been a really good box. I am actually going to use every single one of these products, which is great. You don't always get that. And I haven't had a completely exciting box, you know, where I've loved every single product in a long time. So I'm really like keen with the direction that Bellabox went with this. And I really hope to see more boxes like this in the future. This is actually a really good box. I'm really keen. So yeah, please let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box and what did you think of the box this month. And yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.